Actually a bad pairing. Okay, but at least if I win this game, I get like 4 points. No, I get 2 points. That's it. Okay, fine. Let's play knight f3, e3. Simple. Slow it down. Which country is stronger in chess, US or Russia? I mean, it's the US right now. I think in the future, neither country is poised to be particularly strong, if I'm being honest. I mean, Russia doesn't really have many good juniors. They have Asipenko and Murzin, and that's pretty much it. US doesn't really have a whole lot. You have Hans, who's hovering near 2,700. You have Abhimanyu Mishra. Then you have the players like Andy Woodward. Some of those guys who could get very good, but we don't really know where they're going. So I mean, it's hard to know. It's hard to know what the future holds. But I would say neither country looks like a superpower to me at the moment. That's what I would say. Let's just go e5 and h4, I guess. I have c4 too, I guess. It's also... No, let's go h5, h6. Go h6, tickle the pawn again. Why do I feel like I'm about to blunder? Let's go. What am I doing? I gotta move. Guess I'll go knight b. What does this even do? It doesn't even do anything. Why am I playing like this? I should have gone c4 probably, but whatever. Okay, it goes b4, which I'm very happy to see, because now I can pressure the pawn. I can play like bishop f4 back. I mean, I'm still not doing very well, but at least it's kind of okay. Go here, attack the queen. Like, I'm kind of okay. If I can get this knight to f1 and h2 and g4, like 1, 2, 3, 4, I should be better. Go here. I can just take. My position's improving considerably. I think I'm almost... I mean, I might already be okay here. I can go d4, but I want to go knight h... c4 looks very bad, actually. A terrible move. Because now he's going to have dark square problems around his king, I think, for the rest of the game. Go here. Wow, okay. Wait a second. I feel like I should be better here. I don't know why, but I feel like it. Let's go here. I should be better here. It's a matter of how do I convert. Let's go here, pressure the bishop. I just need this knight on g4. That's all I need. I need like 2 more moves and I win the game. But now I've got this, and now he's in real trouble. Because now the knight's coming. Now here comes the knight. Oh, I should have put the bishop on g5 first. Oh my god. Oh, I should have put that bishop on g5 first. Oh man, that's so bad by me. But maybe I can still sneak the knight into f6. Actually, maybe I'm still okay because this pawn is very weak in the endgame. Maybe. Wait, is the donation on Twitch? Wait, is this on Twitch? Wait, is that a dono from Twitch? Go check. I think that's a dono from Twitch. Basically, I'm assuming that I can win this pawn in the endgame. I think that's a Twitch dono, but I could be wrong. Okay, it goes king h8. So now, I think I can sneak in from behind with knight e8. And now I'm going to get knight d6, and I think I'm close to winning here. Oh, he's got this, which I missed, of course. Is this really not... I guess I go here, knight d6. Still very tricky. I'm still trying to win this game. I actually don't know where to put the bishop. Put it on... Wait a second. can also go bishop a4. Okay, I just gotta move. You gotta move. Let's just go here. Oh, he's got knight c6, which I missed too. Wait, now I go here. I think I'm winning, but it's tricky. Still unbalanced. Got 10 seconds left. I should be winning. I mean, it's hard to believe this isn't. Oh, you see 3 seconds. Let's keep going. Start pushing the P. Go here, win the knight, and win the game. Okay. Good finish. We get the win. Get to 8.5 out of 10.